Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Capricorn, it's Sai. This is weekly reading. This is general, may or may not resonate everyone. So take what resonates and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa, guys. So let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on. Guys, this is general. If it is not resonate, don't force to feed it. So let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on. Capricorn. Capricorn. Under the deck, Ace of Pentacles, Three of Pentacles, Seven of Wands. I think especially in career-wise, there are new opportunities coming for you. I think you will get financial stability. You are collaborating with other persons in businesses especially. And you are very defensive in these recent times, Capricorn. For some, there is a new opportunity, a new person is coming, a brand new person. So let's see your reading. Recent past, Three of Cups, Two of Cups and Five of Swords. For some third party involved in this connection, it could be family, friends or other man or other woman. There are a lot of issues going between you and your person. Five of Swords energy. They may be backstabbed on you, cheated on you, lied to you. But love is mutual. But your person may be in and out of your life. I think there are some trust issues between you and your person. But love is mutual. Then present, Knight of Pentacles, Nine of Cups and the Chariot. Your wishes are going to be granted, Capricorn. For some, a brand new person is coming into your life, but they are in slow moving energy. But they are very serious about you. I think maybe you know about your person. I think brand new person. For some, you don't know. And Chariot. I think the current relationship right now you are in is very, very slow moving. And wish fulfillment. Definitely your wishes are going to be granted. Nine of Cups is here. But there are some issues between you and your person. Then future, Three of Wands, Eight of Wands and Two of Pentacles. Yes, you are juggling. Maybe you are not getting clarity from your person. And for some, you both are in long distance relationship, living in different cities, countries or states. There is lots of communication is coming in near future. Eight of Wands. Maybe you are waiting for communication from your person. Yeah, definitely there is communication is coming, but you're still juggling. In near future, maybe you have to make some decision, but you are indecisive. You are juggling. And the person involved in this connection could be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius or Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio or Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. So Capricorn, let's see your person current feelings and their intentions. Then we will get more clarity what's going between you and your person. Yeah, Nine of Cups, the Magician and Page of Cups. I think in past maybe they did hurt you. Now they're coming back with an apology. For some, your person is a manipulator also. And Nine of Cups, they're also wishing for this connection. So let's see their current feelings and intentions. Two of Pentacles. Page of Swords, Six of Pentacles. I think there is no equal give and take in this connection. Maybe in past they treated you as a option. They are spying you a lot. For some children also involved in this connection. So right now your person is juggling. Maybe they want to give clarity. You will receive some communication from your person and some truth coming out. and they are in the process of some making decision because judgment is here. For some, maybe your person right now going through some legal issues also. Yeah, they are spying on you. So let's see their intentions. The moon, four of wands, page of wands, eight of wands. Yes, communication, lots of communication is coming, and your person started listening to their intuition. They do love you. Maybe in past they hurt you, but they're realizing your worth. Still, there are some issues between you and your person, but they want reconciliation with you if you are in separation with your person. If you are not in separation, they want to take this relationship to next level. They want to marry you. And page of wands, for some you both have age differences between you and your person. And page of wands energy, maybe your person in and out of your life player type of energy, but there is lots of communication. They're planning to communicate with you and they will communicate. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed on and the outcome. King of Pentacles, Tower. Yes, right now your person going through some tower moment in their life due to separation or due to family issues, but they are thinking about stability. Yeah, they are serious about you. They're coming back, but they are in very slow moving energy and they want to take this relationship to next level. Capricorn and reconciliation. Six of Cups. I think you both have strong soulmate connection with each other. You're also thinking about them a lot, but you are not showing. Yes, you guarded up right now, but there is some communication text is coming. For some, maybe you want to text them. You are thinking about them a lot, but not showing. Mutual, Wheel of Fortune, and Empress, and Justice, second chances, and the full new beginnings. Yeah, most of you, there will be new beginnings between you and your person in near future. Yeah, things will turn into your favor, especially the connection favor, but everything in divine timing because Wheel of Fortune is here. I think this connection has potential because the Empress is here. I think you both are very powerful couple, very independent. So let's see some messages from your person and through the channel. Capricorn. Free yourself. Past person return. I am not feeling good enough for you. Text is coming. Twin flames. For some, you both are in twin flame journey. I'm just not ready yet. So the messages are, I'm just not ready yet. Free yourself. Past person return. I'm not feel good enough for you. Text is coming and twin flames. So these are the messages from your person and take what resonates. So let's see some messages from Moon Oracle deck. Conclusions are within reach, full moon, eclipse. So Capricorn, if you are searching for conclusions or answers, definitely the answers you need are coming, especially when full moon, eclipse. And the answers you need are coming. Wow. Two messages, but two messages are same. The answers you need are coming. Gemini energy, full moon in Gemini. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Thank you.